DRC Series. The environmentally sealed DRC Series is a rectangular connector series designed with a higher number of terminal counts. These environmentally sealed thermoplastic housings are available in inline, printed circuit board, or flange mounts. The DRC Series is available in multiple insert arrangements and accepts contact sizes 16 or 20. DRC insertion. Begin with a crimped wire. For assistance, refer to the Deutsch Contacts video segment for detailed instructions. Refer to your wiring diagram to know which wire to insert into each cavity. All cavities are marked with numbers or letters depending on the design. Grasp the crimped contact approximately 1 inch behind the contact barrel. Hold the connector with the rear grommet facing you. Push the contact straight into the rear grommet until you hear and feel a click. A slight tug will confirm that the contact is properly locked into place. Repeat this process until all of the cavities are filled. Repeat the same process for the receptacle and the plug halves of the connectors. Make sure to insert the contacts into the rear grommet. Please note that if you have open cavities, they will need to be filled with appropriately sized sealing plugs. DRC mating. Align the keys in the plug and the receptacle connector halves. Push the two parts together and tighten the jack screw with a standard Allen wrench, size M4 hex. DRC unmating. To unmate the DRC series connectors, loosen the jack screw and pull the plug and receptacle apart. DRC contact removal. Hold the connector so the rear grommet is facing you. Using the correct size plastic removal tool, snap the tool over the wire so it will slide down the wire. Slide the tool along the wire into the cavity until it engages the contact and resistance is felt. Make sure you keep the tool straight and do not twist or angle the removal tool. Pull the contact and wire assembly out of the connector. If the contact does not release on the first attempt, pull the tool back out, turn it 1/4 turn, and reinsert it. Do not twist the tool with it in the cavity.